All right, let's see if I can do this again. I had this chat once, and apparently I didn't have my mic turned on, so here we go. I've decided to quit the YouTube schedule. For the last nearly 2 years, um, I've put out a video every Tuesday at 9 a.m. feeding. Uh, uh, I've been feeding the YouTube algorithm, and the YouTube algorithm hasn't been feeding me back. I just barely cracked 400 subscribers in nearly 2 years. And let's be honest, even the worst channels will still grow. I haven't. I'm not sure why. I mean, I don't do this for fame or trying to make money or try and replace my job. I just record what I do. And I get it, people don't, people are looking for a different car every week and they expect you to do this and do that. And, I do what I want to do. I do what I like to do. I buy cars that I can drive while I work on them. But I always I was always under the mistaken impression that if you are consistent with your video upload schedule, that your videos will get put out and be put in front of more and more people. I mean, other than a couple of months after I broke my hip, um, I've been every every week, even if it was just something dumb. Like say for Christmas and New Year, I had a minute video, but it was still out Tuesday morning, 9 a.m. religiously. I would fight to come up with stuff to record. Um, sometimes just to make sure I got something out there. And I'm not gonna do it. I'm not doing it no more. I can't. It's a grueling schedule, yes, and I'm willing to do the grueling schedule. But there's got to be a reward. Like I say, I'm not asking to be, one of the top YouTubers or to be this huge channel. But when you fight to put out a schedule or a scheduled video every week and you get no return from it, after a couple years it just gets old. So I'm not going to do it no more. If I had some sort of steady growth, I probably would. I know I would. I enjoy making the videos. I enjoy editing the videos. I enjoy meeting the people I've met. Um, I I really do enjoy all of that. I enjoy the piss out of it. But like I say, it gets old after a while. So uh this video here is just me cleaning up after pulling the motor out of the truck. And yeah. So it's not gonna be Tuesday morning 9 a.m. anymore. It's gonna be whenever the video's done. I'll upload it and have it the next morning. It might still be Tuesday at 9 a.m. or it might be Thursday at 5 p.m. Just depends. As I'm sure you guys have noticed, those who watch regularly, I don't push for subs. I don't push for likes. I don't push for comments. I appreciate them, but I don't push for it. I do push my merch. Anyway, I do have a couple of big projects coming up. My 91 Centurion Classic C150, basically a four-door Bronco. That's the one I'm really looking forward to. And then I've also got a 1966 Mustang that we're going to try and get on the road before Poverty Tour. But those projects keep getting pushed back because of problems with my daily drivers, like the truck. I don't expect these problems I'm having with it, but I'm having them, and it pushes back on projects that I want to do. Now, the issue there is I work a lot of hours during the winter. There's not a lot of hours during the day, and work takes it all up. And because I don't have a garage, I work outside and it's dark. Yes, I get access to a garage like what you're looking at right now, because I'm not going to tear down a motor outside. Not in the winter. And I'm not going to, try and pull a motor outside and then rebuild it and put it back in. But anyway, there are projects coming that people are looking forward to, and I keep having to push them off, and I hate that I have to do it. And I'm sure people have come to see these projects happen, and then they leave because they don't happen. Again, I am not going to be a one vehicle a week kind of person. Not happening. With that, thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.